Unleash the extraordinary with our feature-packed vehicle. Crafted to perfection, this car promises more than just a drive. Your peace of mind is our priority. This vehicle has passed a meticulous 1.8 AA inspection and undergone an extensive HPI check, full dealer service history, last service in Toyota at 8,000 miles, long MOT, ensuring top-tier quality. Drive with confidence, backed by Toyota warranty until 2028 and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Your journey is protected every step of the way. Tailor your driving experience with features like heated front seats, adaptive cruise control, pre-crash safety system, Apple and Android Carplay, reverse camera. Elevate your driving experience with a car that combines confidence, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Visit us today to experience excellence on the road.